Hey guys, what's up? I'm back. Today I'm gonna be, well, as you can see, first, I'm not at my house. I am in Japan. And by the time I upload this, I'll probably be back in Bangkok because the connection in Bangkok's better than here in Japan, but that's another story. So today, I'm gonna be opening 6 Tag Team All-Star Pokémon packs. I got these from the Pokémon store in Osaka. If any of you want to go, tell me. I can tell you where it is. And yeah, so let's begin. First pack down there. These ones to the side. This is going to be hard. I've never actually opened a pack on camera, so see if I remember. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. 3 to the front. Do 4. Oh no, I did it wrong. Feel like, alright, whatever. Ooh, alright, off to a good start. Oh, okay, yeah, I definitely did it wrong, but it's pretty good, pretty good. Dark type Incineroar. Oh, so I missed 2. Alright. Water Energy, Reverse Hollow War Turtle, Cottony, Porygon, Shuckle, whatever that is, Mimikyu, that, and a Spiritomb. Alright, pretty good start. I'll put all the good cards to the side there. These are the ones that I'll probably put in my book. Alright, let me just... Alright, next pack. So I know I haven't uploaded in a long time. I've kind of been out of ideas. Last time I did 1, 2, 3, 4. Try 1, 2. See if that makes, yes, alright, 1, 2. So, Water Energy, same guy, Litten, Xatu, Kangaskhan, again, him, Fire Crystal, Sneasel, Marshadow, and a Alolan Ninetales GX. Alright. It's going okay, it's going okay. The rest of the cards to the side. Alright, got another pack. So it is. Wait, let me go get that. I flipped that all the way across to here. Alright, take these packets and just scrumple them up. Alright. Our first card is a Fire Energy. Okay, ooh. Reverse Hollow Tapu Fini. Pidgey. Poipole. Vaporeon. Oh, red. Is that? No, that's a red. Ooh, triple energy belt. Yveltal. Vulcan Rana. Oh my gosh! No way. Oh my god. I just pulled a rainbow rare Darkrai and Umbreon tag team. You can see. Don't think you can see that. It's a hyper rare, secret rare. Oh my gosh. I need to make that a separate pile. The amazing cards. Woo-wee. That is good. I am quite happy. Wow. I did not expect to get that. We still have 3 more packs. Wait, no. 1, 2, 3 more packs, yeah. Alright, oh wow. Just gonna let that sit there. Wow. And it's scratchy as well. Whew. Alright, let me make this pile a bit better. side. 1, 2. Leaf Energy, Sneasel, Reverse Hollow Porygon, Magneton, Kangaskhan, Beast Ring. Ooh. Glamour Dug Trio, Magnezone, Zoroark, and a Wishy Washy GX. Alright, I already have a ton of Wishy Washy GXs. Just funny. Alright, do that. Put the rest to the side. Take these bad boys and place them here. Alright, that pack side. 1, 2 to the front. Alright. Steel Energy. Ooh, backpack. Backpack, come get your backpack. Vaporeon, Alolan, Diglett, Diglett. Oh my gosh, I can't talk. Munchlax, Dojo, whatever that is. Lady, Mew, Absol, and a Greninja and Zoroark tag team. Or I'll put like the tag teams and stuff to the side and any rainbow rares. I'm still quite happy about that first. Well, not the first, but that rainbow rare tag team. Alright, well, can we get some last pack magic? Can we get something rare? This last pack. So, Steel Energy, Beyblade thing, Stunkfish, Vulpix, Glameow, Belt, whatever that is, Heroin Needle, Porygon, Zed, Spiritomb, or Wishy Washy. Alright. Well, that was pretty good. We had pretty good stuff. That rainbow rare tag team. Still pretty good. Got GXs. Good. Wow, I'm still in shock. But yeah, thanks for watching. Thank you for all the support, and bye. I can't do this.